Good morning, students, and welcome to my online classes once again. So, in our earlier class, we have already come to know about the exercise 15.2 and then 15.1, that is regarding the plotting of points on the graph paper and regarding the line graph. But here also, today also we are going to learn line graph, but this line graph is linear. So in earlier 15.1 we have seen the line graph, different type of line graph, and it is not straight. It is breaking somewhere. There is a growth of plant in different ways. Sometimes it is more, sometimes it is down, up and down. This is a zigzag line graph. Today we will learn about linear line graph and what are the situations that we follow and will have a linear line graph. Like you see commodities and price. If you purchase more item, you have to pay more. If you purchase less item, then you have to pay less. So when commodities, price and the number we like to plot on the graph, it will be exactly straight line, that is linear line graph. So that I am going to start today. Okay, so you have to be very careful, and I am not repeating regarding this plotting of points on the graph paper. You have already come to know, and I have discussed about the general. We have given you the general points of line graph. Clear? So we are now going to learn about the linear line graph and where are the situations we follow the linear line graph. So in first question, the graph of the following tables, values and suitable scales are on the axis. Cost price and of apples and number of apples. So when cost price, that is the vertical line should be always the values and horizontal line should be the item or event. Items or events. And you have to show the scale here suitably depending on the uh, vertical line what they are showing. You see question number 1, part A. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, same way. So this is the first quadrant. We will be plotting on the first quadrant only. Okay, now number of apples 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 equal distance, 3 4 5 apples number. Apples number and the price, cost of apple. Cost of apples. This is the vertical line. What will be the scale? You see the scale, it is a table of 5. So you have write down 1 centimeter equals to 5 rupees. This is my scale, cost of apples. So it is table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, 35, 40. I have drawn 40, but this much is not required. Anyway, and this is 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple, 5 apples. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin. Now, in first case, cost of 1 apple is, this is a 5, table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Whatever the value is given, you will try to make one more. So vertical line of x-axis and horizontal line of y-axis. So they are meeting here. So here will be the position of the first 1 apple 5 rupees. Make a point bold. 2 apple 10 rupees. So they are intersecting here. Make a bold point. 3 apple 15. 3 apple 15. So I am drawing in hand, so my line may not be very straight, but you are using graph paper. If you plot this way, it will be accurately straight line. Okay. Then 4 apple 20 rupees, 20 rupees, and 5 apple 25 rupees. So now if we join from here, so it will be exactly straight line. Now is it following the linear line graph? Yes. At the side, yes, it is a linear line graph. Clear? Have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are using graph paper, you will not face any problem. So I am using handmade graph paper. It will not may not be very straight, but I am trying to make it a straight. Okay. If you use the graph paper, it will be exactly a straight line. And at the side you write down, yes, in this case commodities and price. If you purchase more commodities, you have to pay more money. If you purchase less commodity, you will pay less money. So commodities and price forming a linear line graph. Understood? Do it. I'm going to rub it now. I will start the second part.
Sir, wait.
Please finish it quickly. So this is the way you have to, what I will check in exam, I have to see whether you have written the y-axis with the event, with the content here. It is a cost. Vertical line should be always values, cost, and horizontal line should be event or item. Here the event or item is what? Apple's number. Okay, it is given in the book. You take equal 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter, and you have to maintain, it depends on the textbook. So they are taking the table of 5. That's why I have written 1 centimeter equals to scale of graph. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 rupees. Clear? This is the scale of graph. Finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now coming to next question.
Yes, sir.
You see, next question is saying what? Distance traveled by car 6 am, 7 am, 8 am, 9 am. So this will be horizontal. And how much distance is covered? 40, 80, 120, 160. So here also B, vertical line refers to distance, horizontal line refers to time. So it is x-axis, this is y-axis and origin, and scale will be what? Here the scale 1 centimeter should refers to how much? 40 kilometers. 1 centimeter refers to 40 kilometers. So what table you will take? You will take 40 table or 20 table. Okay, take it 40 table. 1 centimeter equals to 40 40 kilometer. Okay, now 1, that is 40, 80, 120, 160 kilometer. Distance, you write down distance in kilometer. Okay, distance in kilometer, in km. This is distance in kilometer. And time, first time is 6 am, 7 am, 8 am, 9 am. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. This is the time. Okay. Now you have to plot. At 6 a.m., so how much distance is covered? 40 kilometer. Draw vertical line on the 6 a.m., horizontal line perpendicular. So 6 a.m. and 40, making a point here. Okay. Then 7 a.m. and 80. This is the point of perpendicular line from the point perpendicular line on the 7 a.m. and also perpendicular line on the horizontal line also. Perpendicular line. So they are meeting here. This is the point of location 7 and 80. 8 a.m. and 120. So they are meeting here. Clear? And 9 a.m. 160. 160. So join. If you join it, it will pass through the origin. So yes, here time here, yes, here time and distance forming linear line graph. That means they are making a straight line. Is that clear? Is it visible properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Complete it, please. Complete it. So it is forming also a very straight line. Okay. So what I'll see in exam, I have to see whether you have mentioned the vertical line properly, horizontal line properly or not. You have mentioned the scale or not. Okay. And construction. Construction, that means making the linear graph will carry half marks, 50%. That if it is 4 marks, 2 marks for drawing and 2 marks for laying out. Whatever the paper you have maintained properly or not. Yaad rakhna. In exam, when it will be a proper exam, offline exam, I have to check this part. So 2 marks for drawing construction and 2 marks for laying out. Okay. Finish this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is what? Shall I grab? Everybody tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आवाज नहीं मिल रहा है. Now some question you have to answer. Here, sorry, you don't grab along with it. You add some question answer. So I'm grabbing this part now. You answer the question. Here it is there. How much distance did the car cover during a period of 7:30? 7:30 lies where? 7:30 lies in between the 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. So from this middle, you draw a perpendicular line. So it is touching the linear graph here. From again, you draw the perpendicular line parallel to this. So here, so that means 80 to 120. What is the middle?
Sir, 100.
100 kilometer.
100.
So that means at 7:30 a.m. It covers 7:30 a.m. It covers how much? How much distance did it cover 7:30 to 8?
Sir.
So if it is 100, then
100.
this mass is what? How much? 20. So answer part 1 from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. the curve covers 20 kilometers. you have to, this is the logic sense. 730 lies in between the 7 and 8. You have to draw a perpendicular line. It is touching here, and again from this you have to touch. So this is the position of 730, and 730 to 8 is the, what is the gap? Total is the 40 table. Okay, if you divide it, it will be 20 for 730 and 20 for 730 to 8. Now second point question, was the time when the car had covered distance 100 kilometer since its start? What was the time? 100 kilometer when it's a reverse way, same answer, reverse way. When it 100 is where? Here you have to draw perpendicular line on this point, meeting here, and again from here draw perpendicular line. So when it covers 100 kilometer, so if you draw a line parallel to this the x-axis, it is touching the line here, and from here draw perpendicular line. It is meeting here. That means it lies in between 7 am to 8 am. That means 7:30. So our answer will be what? In short, so at what time it covers 100? It covers 100 kilometer at 7:30. This is the position of 7:30. So at 7:30 am the car covers 100 kilometer. At 7:30 am car covers 100 kilometer. Got it? At 7:30 am
Yes,
the
sir.
car covers 100 kilometer. So when they are asking any question on the graph, you just see the graph and question try to match. First question and second question answer is same. First question they are taking the distance and find out the time. And second question they are taking the distance, first question time to distance, and distance to time. Okay. So whatever they are telling you, just accordingly you have to draw the graph. Clear? So now coming to next question.
So,
Now I am coming to next question. Next question is what? Interest on deposit for a year. So rupees 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. And how much interest earned? 80 rupees, 160 rupees, 240 rupees, 320 rupees, and 400 rupees. So you have to plot a graph, and you have to see whether it is a line graph, linear line graph or not. Okay, no problem. So this vertical line y-axis, horizontal line x-axis, origin is 0. So this one will depend on the amount, principal. So 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 up to 5000. 5000. So we have principal. This one is for principal. Okay. So x-axis stands for principal, y-axis stands for interest. Interest earned. So how much interest? It is a table of 80. They are taking the table of 80.
80.
Then 80 double 160, another 80, 240, another 80, 240 and 80, 320, another 80, 400. So 80, 160, 240, then 320, and then 400. Clear? So this vertical line y-axis refers to the interest earned from the principal 1000, 2000, 3000 this. Now we have to plot graph and we have to see what are the questions they are asking, accordingly you have to answer. So vertical line from this x-axis, this. So this is the point 1000 rupees earning 80 rupees. This is the point. 2000 rupees earning 160. This is the point. Okay. 3000 rupees, and you will use your scale and graph paper में properly तो marking है, no problem. Now 4000, then 5000. This. So now if we join it, it will be linear, and for back side, so it is passing through the origin also. So here you have to mention 1000 equals to 80 rupees. Scale is 1000 equals to 80 rupees. Look at here how we have made. So 1000 rupees, 80 rupees, point is here. 2000 rupees, 160 rupees, point is here. So 3000 and 240, 4000, 320, 5000, 400 rupees. If I join it, it will be a very straight line, and the straight line also passing through the origin. That means principal, in case of simple interest, principal and interest, okay, always form a linear line graph. Okay. Now, does the graph pass through the origin? Question number 1. Yes. The graph is passing through the origin. Clear? Next question they are asking. Use the graph to find the interest on 2500.
Sir, what you have written?
What is that answer? 2500.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, what you have written there? Yes, the graph is.
Yes, the graph is passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. You see? So if you draw back side, it is passing through the origin. O is the origin. Now, when how much interest you will earn? 2500. 2500 lies where? 2000 to 300. So here the position of 2500. Draw a perpendicular line here, and from here also. So 2500 rupees will earn interest what? How much? 200 rupees. So in between the 160 and 240, how much is there? 200. So here is a position of 200. Okay. So 2500 rupees, 2500 will earn interest rupees 200. So if you like to solve simple interest, only find the interest. So with the help of this graph also we can solve. But find the rate of interest, find the time period, that we cannot. But only interest, principal and interest always will form a linear line graph. Okay. Now what is the next question? To get the interest 280
Sir.
per year, how much money should be deposited? What is the position of 280? 280 is where? 240 and 320. In between 280 is there. 280 is there. So if I draw a parallel line here, they are meeting here. Now draw perpendicular line here. That means it is in between 3000 and 4000. 3000 4000 बीच में कौन है 3500. So what will be the answer? To get interest 280 rupees, the principal should be 3500. Okay. So answer लिखोगे to get rupees 2800 as interest, we need the principal of, here the position is 3500. This is 3500. Okay, 3500. This is 3000. So लिखोगे to get interest rupees 280, we need principal rupees 3500. Yes, tell me, anyone having any question on this part?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Writing is visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Who is raising hand? देखो साहिल लिंबू left. I don't know what's the problem they are facing. 26, 27 plus 5, 32 student. Still, you people are joining. A lot of students are joining B section and A sections. Their attendance is very, very poor. Okay. Answer I am reading out. In first answer, yes, the graph is passing through the origin. Second answer, so rupees 2500 will earn interest rupees 200. Acha. Next question they are asking, to get interest 280, we need the principal rupees 3500. Are we clear? So this is the line graph, linear line graph related question. Now I am coming to last one. Have you drawn your diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is, next question is related to area and perimeter. Okay, area and perimeter of a figure. You see, draw the graph of the following, and is it linear? Is it linear? They are asking only to find whether it is a linear or not. Okay, so question is what? Side of a square and its perimeter. Okay, so now
Sir,
I
which question
start-
is this?
Huh?
Which question is this?
Question number 2, part 1. Earlier it was C. Question number 1, part C. Question number 2, part 1. Vertical line, y-axis. Horizontal line, x-axis. Horizontal line refers to side of square. Side of square. And horizontal line refers to perimeter. Perimeter. And they are intersecting at origin. So what will be the curve? So 2 centimeter, 0 to 2. That means there will be a zigzag, because they are starting from 2. 1 they have not, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 6. And now the perimeter, when 2 centimeter is there, what will be the perimeter? 8. So it is the table of 8. Next one, 4 का टेबल ले लो। 12, 16, 12, 14 दिया 3.14, 12 के बाद 14, अच्छा 16, then 20, then 24. I have taken the table of 4. 8 से शुरू हुआ इसमें zigzag. Okay. Now, if I draw a perpendicular line from 2, so 2, when 2 is the side, the perimeter is 8. When 3 is the side, perimeter will be what? 3, 3, 3, 3. This is perimeter 3. When 3.5, so 3.5 lies between 3 and 4. So 3.5. So it will lie in between 3.5. So 3.5 will produce how much? It will produce 3.5 means 12 and here 14. This is 3.5 and it will be in between 12 and 16. So point is there. Now 5 होगा, so 5, they have not taken 4. Vertical line 5 perimeter will be 20. 5 4 is 20 and 6. Now you draw line, so it will be a linear line graph. Yes, so 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter equals to 4. 4 is now centimeter. So yes, it will form linear line graph. Yes, it will form linear line graph. Complete it. So that means sides and perimeter of a square follows the linear line graph. Find out. Complete it. Mahi, are you doing?
Yes, sir. I have completed this one.
Okay, very good. Now only one is left. I will finish it, and next day onward, I will send video clip in your group. No need to join Google Classroom. Okay? That means Wednesday I will send video clip on direct and inverse variation. Now jaldi karo please.
Sir,
Sir, complete C.
Yes.
sir,
Any problem?
yes sir.
बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे सर 14 आएगा ना?
Which one? Yes. In between 12 and 16, 14. So no need to write. You have to make out. Just make out. Ki if I take 14 as an interest, 14 lies where? 12 and 16 ka between में होगा. So from there between I will draw a parallel to the x-axis and vertical line on the x-axis. They are meeting here. So this is the position of 12, 14 and 3.4, 3.5,
Okay.
3.5 centimeter. Do it. Written? It will
Yes, sir.
T height. Now second part, area and sides. Area of the square and side You have to identify whether it is following a linear line graph or not. This. So it is x-axis. This one is y-axis, origin. So this is sides, and this is area. So first one is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Next is 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter gap, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. How much? They have taken 6 centimeter. Sides. These are the sides of square. You write down sides of square. Vertical line, area of square. So what is the area? First 2 के साथ 4. So 1 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeter. ठीक है? 4. It is 4. This one is 8. This one is 12. This one is what? 16. This one 20. This one 24. You have to increase this. So we have to guess something. 28. ज़्यादा नहीं जानेंगे. 36 भी है. मेरे पास जगह नहीं है. You have a graph paper. You will do it on a graph paper. So 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So they are meeting at here. ठीक है? This is the point of 2 and 4. Now 3, 9. 9 क्या होता है? 4 cross 8 cross करके. Then 12 and 16. 4 centimeter and 16. ठीक है? And then 5 centimeter, 25, 24 and 25 here. Six centimeter. So it will meet somewhere here. So if you draw it, it will not be a straight line. This type of line, curve. So area and side, आप join करके देखो, it will be a curve, parabola. So no, area, sides and area of square, it will not follow linear. It is not a it is not a linear. No, it is not a linear line graph. That means side line graph. That means side and area of a square, okay, does not follow the linear line graph. Clear? Any doubt? So then I have finished your chapter. This one. So next day, that means Wednesday, Thursday. You have Thursday first period. No need to join in Google Classroom. I will send video clip in your class group, WhatsApp class group. So this is related to direct and inverse variation. So those who are interested, they can do it in advance. Clear? So then no more today. We'll be meeting on Wednesday. Till then, Thursday. Till then, bye-bye students.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.